Hi everyone, and welcome to High Value Couponer. So today I'm here with CVS for this week. And I know a lot of you, for a while I was debating, was I going to keep doing CVS after that one drama situation that happened there when one of the coupons didn't work right, and I just wasn't sure. But I'm so glad I kind of had like a redemption haul today because everything went perfect and I got a really good deal at CVS, I feel, in my opinion. And it was really cool. And if any of you are watching if any of you were told at our local CVS my YouTube name, comment and let me know, because the cashier tonight, she was like, you've got to start teaching classes on this. You've got to start teaching classes about couponing. I was like, well, I do have a YouTube channel. She's like, so many customers come in here wanting to know how people get all this stuff for really cheap or whatever. And so she said she was going to send the customers over to the YouTube channel. So, yeah, if any of you are here from that, let me know. So I'm going to try to keep this newbie, kind of give you some tips on how to do everything. Yeah, so I did 3 transactions today at my local CVS. Transaction 1, Transaction 2, Transaction 3. I spent a total of $5.93 with local sales tax. Tax was over, it was like $2.50 of tax, so that kind of shows you why it was so much. Or maybe not $2.50, but it was like $2 of tax, so that shows you why it was so much. But for all this stuff, I don't think it's bad, especially the boost. I'm going to show you what I did. So, first tip, go to that CVS coupon center. That thing is amazing. Whether you do it digitally or you do it at the print. I personally do prefer the print out coupons because you see them, scan them, you know they come off. I prefer those. So last week, and this is the tip, they last for a week, so they'll expire the day that you printed them. So last Sunday I went into CVS and was printing out a coupon, a CVS coupon for $2 off of 2 L'Oreal products. That coupon expired today, and it really wasn't a good deal last week, but this week it was a great deal. So save those coupons until they expire and use them the following week. So that coupon was good today. So you had $2 off of 2. I also had a $4 off of a 15 L'Oreal purchase, and those stacked together just fine. You can use a purchase-based coupon with a, money off quantity coupons. I could use that 4 off 15 with a 2 off 2 just fine. And keep in mind at CVS, any of those purchase-based coupons, it is before any coupons are applied. So if it's 4 off 15, your subtotal has to be 15 before coupons. So this was $4.99, this was $4.99, this is $5.69. So that was over 15. Keep in mind, if you were at $14.70, you would have got it because of the 98% rule CVS has, but just to make it not so confusing to any newbies, that was over $15. Use that 4 off 15 coupon. I used the 2 off 2 CVS coupon. Those both, let me show you, they came off perfect. Voila. I also had a $3 off of any 2 manufacturers coupon that I applied. That worked perfect in this transaction. 3 off 2 printable. That coupon is no longer available, but I printed it last month. I told you all to print it last month. Hopefully you do still have that coupon. It made that a phenomenal price. It made it I don't know, it made this a moneymaker. So it's I believe it was $6.50, and I got back an $8 extra bucks. I made $1.50 on this L'Oreal, which is awesome, awesome deal. Awesome price for me for these things. These are things we'll use. This especially was an awesome one, so awesome deal. Also in this transaction, I threw in the soft soap. These are on sale 2 for $5. There are 50% off printable coupons on the soft soap website that I used. So I used 2 coupons. I paid $4 and I got back a $3 extra buck at CVS. So, and keep in mind, those extra bucks are like cash. I could be using anything in the store. You can also, like I said, you might be thinking if you're a newbie, well, you used coupons on these. Those are CVS coupons. You can use a CVS coupon and a manufacturer's coupon from the same item. And that is totally allowed per CVS policy. You can combine those because one, CVS will send in, the manufacturer coupon, CVS will send in and get reimbursed for. And the CVS coupons are just essentially a CVS sale price in a coupon form. That's all that is. And the flyer will even tell you that you can combine them together. So a lot of times in the flyer, the ad, it'll tell you can combine coupons with CVS coupons. It's totally allowed. So this transaction, here's everything. If I can get it to focus. Soft soap. Came down to 67 cents plus my Ohio tax of $1.21, so $1.88. It's kind of a lot, but I got back a $3 extra buck and an $8 extra buck. So a total of $11. A lot of you might think, well, I'm just going to put all this up on the counter and I'll get a bunch of extra bucks. What I do is I'll get some extra bucks. I used my $10 extra buck that I had from last week. I did just this small transaction that was around $10, paid this, and they gave me back 11. So I took that 11 and did this deal on the Boost. These are $6.99 at CVS. There is, okay, so when I scan my card at the coupon center, there is a $4 off of 4 coupon that printed out there for me. Also, from last week's newspaper insert, I had a $5 off 2 coupons. I used 2 $5 off 2 coupons, okay? And I used that 4 off 4 CVS coupons. That's a total of $14 off. These were $7 a piece, so that was like $28. I got off 14, so that's $14. And I got back $10 in extra bucks for buying 4 Boosts. But, so that makes it $4 for 4. But what made this even sweeter, I had the $11 extra bucks from this transaction that I used to pay for this one. So, here is how that all went down. I paid $2.96 for 4 things of Boost. These are $9.49 a piece, and if I would have went to like Kroger or something and got the generic Boost, it's $6. So for me to go into CVS, get all these Boosts and all this stuff for the price I paid, just this is what drugstore couponing is. So I used my 11 and I got back another $10. So I took the $10 and did this transaction, and this is where I stopped for the day. I went ahead and grabbed this deal. Now this is where we're combining deals here. This CVS Blade Torque 3 razor is $4.99 and it is printing out a $4 extra buck this week. That's right in the ad. And the Schick Quattro is $9.99, printing out a $4 extra buck. So I had a CVS coupon that printed out of the coupon center for $3 off of a $12 razor purchase that worked just fine here. Okay, there's also and it says it in the ad, there is a $4 off digital coupon for Schick women's razors, only on the women's. So, $4 digital coupon. Essentially, it made these, so combining the 2 deals together, this was like 15 bucks. I used my coupons. It came down to $7.98, and I got back $4 for this razor and $4 for this razor. And here's what the extra bucks look like. Very simple. So, love, love, love that one. That was a great price. Also the Crest, this is $3 this week. There's a $1 CVS digital coupon, and there's also a $2 extra buck printing. So it makes the toothpaste free. And here's how this transaction all spelled out. Took off all my coupons. It did adjust my $10 extra buck down to $9.98 because it won't give you cash back. So my subtotal was $0. I paid my Ohio tax of $1.09. So $1.09 for that transaction. So under $6 for 4 insurers. All this and all that I don't think is bad. I try to make this as newbie friendly as possible. That's why I did a lot of repeating and being very simple. The main thing I can give to newbies or to anyone, roll your extra bucks. Do a transaction, get some extra bucks. Use your extra bucks from last week to pay for this transaction. Take your new extra bucks, pay for this, pay for this. And I will save these and go back next week and do all the new extra buck deals. And these deals do have limits. Keep that in mind. So yeah, it's very simple. Do that, roll your extra bucks, and also really take advantage of those CVS coupons and find manufacturers coupons to go along with them. So if you are a newbie here, I do have a how to coupon series. Some of the info, it is from a couple years ago, but it's still very relevant. There's a few little minor changes, but that is still there. There are lots of great CVS YouTubers, but I do post every time I shop CVS because I feel like a lot of people need to know about these deals. And I'm not, some of these people who do CVS really just like are much better at it than me. But I feel like I like to keep it simple because I like to show you how I do it. I'm a newbie at this. Like I used to do CVS a couple years ago, kind of slacked off for a while, and I'm just getting back into it. So I'm kind of trying to show you what it's like as a newbie to go back to CVS again and start over. So yeah, combining this. And also, the main thing, combining them with the extra bucks rewards. That is crucial. If you don't combine them with extra bucks, let's just say you went and used your CVS coupons on this L'Oreal full price at $5, you really wouldn't be getting yourself a good deal. You got to wait for the extra bucks and use those extra bucks. So that's crucial. So yeah, if you have any more questions about CVS, please let me know. I would love to help you out. We're couponing it all. I try to make it simple here on this YouTube. To all of my intermediate couponers, there are also some deals I didn't get to do, like the Fructis. I didn't have the Fructis coupons, or that would have been awesome. Last week we were getting a 2 off of 2 instant coupon, and there's a 3 off of 2 manufacturer's coupon from last week's paper, and they're getting extra bucks this week, so that was a moneymaker. The Eastern Aquifer, I really wanted to do it, but I couldn't find it in my store. Like, I couldn't find the right ones, and they weren't all tagged, and I didn't really feel like risking anything, so I didn't do that. I wish I would have, but whatever, it is what it is. So yeah, this was a great time at CVS. I really enjoyed it, and yeah, thank you so much for watching.